Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. I'm going to bring you a video today on high-rise window cleaning using a rope descent system. You can see in the video the worker is using a 22-inch applicator, scrubbing the windows, following with a 24-inch squeegee. Once he squeegees the glass, squeegees the top sill and then the front face of the window, repeating the same process on the window next to him. After scrubbing the window, squeegeeing the glass, cleaning the top of the sill and the front face of the frame. The employee is working in the direct sun because it's a colder day, being 10 degrees. Typically, choosing a shady side of the building is preferred, allowing a worker to wet both windows down at the same time, then squeegeeing them both, making it a little more efficient of a system, eliminating time. Suction cups are used with high-rise window cleaning. You can see the placement of the suction cup to the right side on the silver panel. That's a poor location to use the suction cup in this situation. The silver panel is a surface of the building that is currently not being cleaned. By placing the suction cup on that surface, you're disrupting the natural flow of dirt, leaving round circular marks from the suction cup, and in time, that would be noticeable from below. The location of the 5-gallon bucket you can see is on the back center of the bosun chair. Typically, locations are either the right or left side, using a locking snap ring to secure the bucket in place. Any of the three locations are fine. It's all worker preference, what they're used to working with. You can see the feet are used to help with stabilization, positioning the worker as he moves. Another technique that's used is using the swing of the ropes to help squeegee and scrub windows. Working with the natural movements of the ropes helps the worker reach areas side to side. In this situation, when the worker is completed with this last drop, he will drop to the rooftop below, which is a sub-roof level, where he will take an elevator to the rooftop, re-rig his ropes to the bay to the right, repeat the same process. Each bay has approximately 80 windows. Each bay takes about 20 minutes and completing about 11 bays a day.